How to fix Instagram followers stuck easy on any Android phone. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram followers stuck easily and fast. So all what you need is just open the settings option on your phone and then go to the apps right here as you can see. After click on the apps, now here go to the apps again in the top and wait a few seconds, it will start loading. Now scroll down until you find Instagram, and when you find it just click on it like this. Now go down to the app details down here. After click on the app details here, it will take you to the Play Store or Google Play. Click here on update, and if you update it, then go back again to the settings option like this. Click on force stop, and now it must be working for you. If it didn't work, just click on uninstall and reinstall Instagram app. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.